Hi guys, today I will be unboxing the Lantern Oracle. Pretty excited about this one because it deals with the shadow self and bringing light and insight into the shadow self. So let's take a look at this guy. Okay. So this is the front of the box. And I'm going to go over the sides so you can take a look-see on that. And here is the back of the box, so you can get a good look at that. Okay. And there's the front again. Okay, and let's open this up. And then the inside of that is just red. Put that aside. And then when you open it up, you get a really nice guidebook. And I love the guidebooks that come with a lot of the Blue Angel products. So we're gonna pop this open. So you can see that's a pretty substantial guidebook that comes with that. So we'll take a peek at this. And it says, the Lantern Oracle illuminates the 4 directions of eternal feminine wisdom from her 4 phases of consciousness: Maiden Water, Mother Earth, Guardian Air, and Crone Fire. Each sphere of feminine energy speaks to a stage in our human development and spiritual evolution. The Lantern Oracle invites you to call upon her throughout your journey in shadow work for loving light where clarity, growth, assistance, and healing is needed. May it bring you much insight, warmth, and blessings. And then there's the back. Okay, so it's not in full color, but there's a lot of detail in here. It goes into, there's a little table of contents where it looks like it goes over like the Maiden, Mother, Crone, different ones that we just discussed. And then it gives you an introduction. And then it tells you how to use your cards. And then it gives you layouts that you can use with your cards. And then it goes into in-depth meanings for each of the cards. So you have the information that's on the card, and then an in-depth information for it, and then it gives you the message as well too. So you can take a peek at that real quick. I'll just leaf through here real quick because I don't want to take up too much time in the book. We'll just go to the end here. So you can see there's quite a bit of information in here, which is really nice. And there's some pretty illustrations. And then it goes into about the author, which is really cool, and the artist. So you can find out more information about them, and then some information about other oracle decks that you might like as well that are similar. So that's the book. Excuse me. Okay, and then we're going to get into the cards, which are just stunning. Okay, so let's stop that camera shake there. Okay, so these are the cards. So you can see the thickness on those. They fit in the hand pretty nice, in my opinion. And they have a nice matte finish to them, so you're not going to get that glare. I'm not a fan of glossy cards. And they have a nice substantial thickness to them too. You can see that. So they're gonna hold up. And they don't have any edging on them, so you can put your own edging. And then that's the back of them. Okay, so these are the cards, and I'm just gonna go through them one by one. And what's nice about them is they have messages on them, so you could use these for little affirmation cards that you pull daily, that you can put on a little stand like I have back here. I have a little chalkboard that I put cards on, and then I write little things around them to like give me daily motivation and stuff. So you can kind of do that with them. You can do journal prompts with them and stuff. Again, they're for shadow work and stuff with the divine feminine, which is great. So you can use them for a lot of different things. So, okay. I'm going to quit yapping and I'm going to start flipping so you can look more at these. And the artwork is just beautiful and stunning. So, okay, that's the first one. And there's a lot of diversity in these too. And we're not just talking about with race and all that too, but with different ages. So you see young people, middle-aged people, older people, which is really cool to see in a deck. No guys in this though. All ladies. Although there is some androgyny there, which is kind of cool. So maybe I stand corrected. So what are you guys thinking so far of these? I want to hear your thoughts and feedback. Likes, dislikes. Do any of you own this deck yet? I know it's a fairly new one. My hands are really dry, so these are really sticking. The cards themselves aren't sticking together. It's just I'm having a hard time gripping them. I need to lotion my hands. I am loving the dark feel of these cards, or the dark look of these cards. Again, that goes with the whole shadow feel, or for shadow work with these cards. I love this. It's just such a beautiful card, just with the emotion. And like I was saying, they have all ages in this, which is hard to see in a lot of decks. They tend to not show older people as much. And older folks, they have a lot to share with us, a lot of wisdom, a lot of insight, a lot of beauty, a lot of grace. And they're our elders. Okay, so that's the last card. And with that, I'm going to ask you guys to leave me some feedback, and if you have any questions as well, just leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.